Assalamu alaikum students. Very good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Okay, today is 21.1.21 and today is Thursday. This is your poem from your Read Now Book 1. Topic is choosing shoes. It's lesson number 20. Today we will do reading of this poem and we will come to know about different kind of shoes in this poem. Students, tell me, do you have different type of shoes at home? Okay, you would have flat shoes, buckle shoes, pointy shoes, and there are also different colors of shoes like red, pink, blue, white. Okay, some girls might have dancing shoes also. Okay, let's start the reading and know about different new shoes. There's a girl and she wants to buy the new shoes and she has many choices for buying the shoes. Let's start the reading. New shoes, new shoes. Red and pink and blue shoes. Tell me, what would you choose if they would let us buy? Okay, students, how many colors are there? We have told in the story, in the poem, red and pink and blue shoes. Let's see the shoes. These are the red shoes. Do you have red shoes? And these are the pink and blue shoes. Three colors we have: red, pink and blue and red shoes. These are the cute shoes. Buckle shoes, bow shoes, pretty pointy toe shoes, strappy cappy low shoes. Let's have some to try. Now this girl wants to try different kind of shoes. Here we have read about different types of shoes like buckle shoes, bow shoes. Let's see the different kinds of shoes. These are the buckle shoes. Do you have buckle on your school shoes also? There is a buckle on the girls' school shoes. And these are the bow shoes. These shoes are for girls. Okay, next are the pretty pointy toe shoes, strappy cappy low shoes. These are the pointy toe shoes. You can see this is a toe and this is a pointy toe. These are pretty pointy toe shoes. And students, it's a strappy low shoes. It has many straps and it is a low shoes. It doesn't have a high heel. Bright shoes, white shoes. Dandy dance by night shoes. Perhaps a little tight shoes, some, so would I. So, students, here we can different kinds of shoes like bright shoes, white shoes, dandy dance by night shoes dandy dance shoes mean dancing shoes. These are the beautiful dancing shoes. Do you have? But flat shoes, fat shoes, stump along like that shoes. Wipe them on the mat shoes, that's the sort they'll buy. Okay, student, here we can see the flat shoes and the fat shoes also. So, Today in this poem we have read about different kinds of shoes. You will also find at your home that how many kinds of shoes do you have at homes. Let's come towards the difficult words. Okay students, you can see in the picture that I have underlined some hard words, means some difficult words for you. You have to revise these words for the several times. Choosing, shoes, wood, choose, buckle, pretty, pointy, strappy, cappy, white, dandy, perhaps, stump, and vibe. Okay, let's come towards the copywork. Okay students, today is Thursday 21st January and 2021. Firstly revise the spelling of Thursday. Thurs, Thursday, Thursday. January, January, January. Okay students, how is the weather like today? It's cloudy and sunny day also. Okay, as I have told you that this poem is from your Read Now book, and topic is choosing shoes. Exercise: answer these questions. You will write topic and exercise, and then question number 1. What are the colors mentioned in the poem? We have read about different kind and different colors of different kinds of shoes and about different colors. So you will find from the story and from the poem there were 3 colors: red, pink and blue. You will write here the answer. Question number 2. Write 3 types of shoes. We have read about several types of shoes, so you will write here just 3 types. For example, buckle shoes, bow shoes, strappy cappy shoes, and you can write any other also. Thank you so much. Send me the pictures of your work.